Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to make homemade gummy bears. They are pretty simple and they take approximately 35 minutes total to make. The demonstration in the video was my first time, so I learned some things along the way which I'll be sure to share. There are some simple items and ingredients you'll need which I found in Walmart's grocery aisles. These are a 1/4 ounce envelope of unflavored gelatin. This box comes with 4 envelopes. 3 ounces of flavored gelatin, silicone molds. Any will do. The shapes I've got here are gummy bears, the Titanic, and icebergs, and ice cream cones. A measuring cup with a spout, a microwave-safe bowl, a spoon, paper towels, cooking spray, and not pictured, which is a large, flat, hard surface like a cutting board. I'll show you why at the end of the video because I learned from my first time doing so. I take cooking spray and then I spray a paper towel. And then I'm going to use that paper towel to wipe the inside of the silicone molds. I'm going to take my microwave safe bowl and then take my 3-ounce box of flavored gelatin and pour it into the bowl. And then I'm going to grab my 1/4 ounce packet of unflavored gelatin and pour that into the bowl. And then I'm going to get 1/3 cup of cold water and pour that into the bowl and then stir it up really well. And then after I'm done stirring, I'm going to let that sit for 10 minutes so that everything is absorbed. After that has sat for 10 minutes, I'm going to take the bowl, I'm going to put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. I then take the bowl out and I'm going to stir it up really well. And then for a second time, I'm going to put the bowl back into the microwave and microwave it for another 30 seconds. And then I'm going to take it out of the microwave and then the mixture is going to get stirred up really well again. I'm going to make sure everything has dissolved. I'm going to take the mixture and I'm going to pour it into a measuring cup with a spout. And now I'm going to pour the mixture into the molds. After you've poured all the mixture into your molds, you'll then want to put them into the refrigerator for 20 minutes. What I discovered was that it was a bit difficult and I was kind of making a mess. So on the second time, what I did was I put the molds on top of a hard flat surface like a cutting board and then put that into the fridge. After 20 minutes, I take the molds out and then I go ahead and I pop them out. And here is an example of the final product. Gummy bears can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator or at room temperature for several weeks. I also learned that one serving of the mixture doesn't go very far. For me to fill up 3 sandwich-sized bags, I made a total of 6 servings. Hope you enjoy.